Hey, today we're going to talk about one of the product called production counter, and what this product does, it you can connect to a NPN or PNP's sensor output, and then every time the sensor triggers it will increase the counter by one. So there are a lot of applications where you can use it, and you can keep a count how many things you manufactured or how many items you made and all those stuff. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to connect it and how it works. So in order to connect, it comes with the M12 connector, or you can get it with a cable, and the connections are like this one. The only two wires you will care about is the brown and the blue. So the further ado, I'm gonna show you. So this is the same product as any other NCD products. You open it. It got 4 batteries. You power it on. I was already working with the sensor, so I set the interval to 10. So every time it sends the data, we can take a look what it's sending and how it works. So let's go to Node-RED, and we see since it sent a packet and the count value is 0 because it just restarted. How to connect? As I said, you will be using brown and blue wire. So for testing purpose, I'm gonna connect this to a power supply. So my brown is connected to black, or blue is connected to the positive of the power supply. I'm gonna turn on off the power supply, and once I do that, you will see the relay will go, the counter will increase by 1 every time that happens. So let me do that. So let me 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I did power on and off 6 times. As you can see, our counter increased to number 6. So for our testing purpose, what I was simply doing is I got this power supply and I was just connecting this to a power source, or every time I increase, decrease, or do it, as you can see, the power was going up and down. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.